Hey guys, welcome to the Droid Guy channel. How to fix unidentified network issue with Ethernet. Incorrect settings of your IP's configuration or incorrect network settings is often the cause for Ethernet's unidentified network issue on your Windows PC. If this issue occurs, Windows users is unable to access the internet even if there is a working internet connection. It is usually evident with a yellow exclamation mark displayed on the network's icon display. In this video, we have gathered several troubleshooting solutions to help fix the issue and regain internet connection in no time. But before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe button for more troubleshooting videos. First solution, run Network Adapter Troubleshooter. The very first step that you need to do with the network-related issue is to the Windows built-in Troubleshooter, a tool that checks your system for problems and resolves them if there are any. To do this, press the Windows key plus I keys together to open the Settings app. Select Update and Security, then select Troubleshoot. Next, select Additional Troubleshooters. Scroll down and select Network Adapter. Click Run the Troubleshooter. Select Ethernet, click Next. It will now search for problems with your connection. If errors are found and suggest fix, click Apply this fix option, or you can close Troubleshooter window. Check if issue still occurs. Second solution, renew IP address. Your computer's IP address can also cause network-related issues. You may need to release current IP and then renew the IP configurations. To do this, type command prompt at the search bar located at the lower left. Click Run as Administrator from the drop-down menu. At command prompt window, type the following commands and press Enter after each command. Wait for each command to complete the process before typing the next command. Type ipconfig release and press Enter. Type ipconfig renew and press Enter. Exit command prompt. Next, restart computer. Third solution, reset TCP/IP. Another solution is to reset TCP/IP settings. To do this, type command prompt at the search bar located at the lower left. Click Run as Administrator from the drop-down menu. At command prompt window, type the following commands and press Enter after each command. Wait for each command to complete the process before typing the next command. Type netch winsock reset and press Enter. Type netch int IP reset and press Enter. Exit command prompt. Next, restart computer, then check if the issue still occurs. Fourth solution, temporarily disable antivirus. Antivirus programs can also be the culprit for your computer to experience network-related issues. Try to disable antivirus temporarily and then check if it resolves the problem. Press Start or Windows button, then click Settings, an icon that looks like a gear. At Windows Settings, click Update and Security, then click Windows Security at left pane. Then click Virus and Threat Protection under Protection Areas. Next, click Manage Settings. Toggle off option, Real-Time Protection. Check if issue still occurs. Fifth solution, temporarily turn off Windows Firewall. There are instances when Windows Defender Firewall can also cause issues. To check if this is the cause, try to temporarily disable Windows Defender Firewall. Type Control Panel at the Search at Control Panel window. Make sure View By is set to Category. Click on System and Security. Next, click Windows Defender Firewall. Then click Change Notification Settings at left pane. Next, click the option Turn off Windows Defender Firewall for both private and public network settings. Click OK to confirm, then check if issue still occurs. Sixth solution, update Network Adapter driver. An outdated driver can also cause this issue to occur. Make sure Network Adapter driver is up to date. To do this, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open Run dialog box. At Run dialog box, type dev mgmt.msc and press Enter. Click Network Adapters to expand it. Right-click on Network Adapter and click Update Driver from the drop-down menu. Click Search automatically for drivers. Click Close to exit, then check if the issue still occurs. Seventh solution, reinstall Network Adapter driver. If updating doesn't fix the issue, you may need to reinstall Network Adapter driver. To do this, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open Run dialog box. At Run dialog box, type wemgmt.msc and press Enter. Click Network Adapters to expand it. Right-click on Network Adapter and click Uninstall Device from the drop-down menu. After uninstall process, restart computer. Once computer completely reboots, network driver will automatically install and then check if the issue still occurs. And that's it. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please support us by clicking like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting videos.